Today I'm going to show you how to do URL redirects in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you've changed page URLs on your site and want to make sure visitors and search engines are automatically sent to the new location instead of hitting a dead end. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options related to your site's settings. This is where you can manage different aspects of your website's configuration. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Take a moment to confirm that this is the correct website you wish to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you've verified that, click on SEO and GEO from the left navigation menu. This section houses all the tools you need to optimize your site for search engines and manage geographic settings. Now, under the SEO and GEO page, scroll down until you find the URL Redirect Manager section. This is the specific tool that allows you to create and manage all your URL redirects. Click on the Go to URL Redirect Manager link at the bottom part of this section. This will take you to the redirect management interface where you can start building your redirects. To start creating a redirect, simply click on the plus Create New Redirect button. A redirect window will appear, allowing you to customize and set the URLs for both the from and to pages. This is where you'll define which old URL should point to which new URL. Start by filling in the old URL field. This is the URL that visitors might be trying to access or that might be indexed by search engines. Then, fill in the new URL field. This will be the new URL you wish visitors to be directed to. Once you've entered both URLs, click on Save to finalize this redirect. If you wish to make another entry right away, you can optionally click on Save and add another, which will save your current redirect and immediately open a new window for the next one. And that's it. You've successfully set up URL redirects in Wix, ensuring that your visitors and search engines are seamlessly directed to the right pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.